As a leader in advanced automotive technology, NAPA Echlin is proud to manufacture an array of products at its own facilities around the world. One of those products is called the idle air control valve. Here in Greenville, South Carolina, the team reverse engineers OE performance characteristics to develop the assembly and manufacturing processes for its IAC valves. They validate the processes with lab testing, vehicle testing, and 100% end-of-line inspection. For example, each IAC assembly is inspected for leak, performance, and flow parameters by monitoring a full-range input signal and measuring key operating points. For durability, each IAC valve undergoes a series of life cycle and durability tests, including a salt fogging test that ensures corrosion resistance under harsh underhood conditions. The end result for the technician is an idle air control valve that is designed, manufactured, and tested to withstand real-world conditions every time. When you multiply the design and testing capabilities found at every NAPA Echlin facility around the world, it's no wonder why NAPA Echlin leads the way in advanced automotive technology.